Good evening, nice to meet you. My name is Jorge Luis Gutierrez Torres. I am currently in my fifth semester of telecommunication engineering. I present my card. I work at Claro Mobile as a support engineer. On the occasion, I am going to talk about the in environmental effects caused by illegal mining in Colombia. The main consequences are first, geological due to the removal of the superficial layers of the land, the instability of the land is produced, and when the rock formations are exposed, erosion occurs, which is the main cause of landfalls. Second, biologically, the main impact is on natural forests, moors, and water tributaries that, when contaminated, cause the loss of resources, species, and animals in danger of extinction. And third, socially, in the areas subject to mining exploitation in general, there is an excessive increase in public service. Violence is generated, loss of culture, massive population migration, social inequality, change in economic and social activities, growth of misery for the families that have their sustenance from agricultural activity, and above all the lands become unproductive, resulting in their abandonment. Thank you.